Okay guys, so it's like 45 minutes to the close. The Nasdaq did a push here, but I don't believe this, guys. We see sellers in the tape still trying to fight the price down. See more sellers in the tape, guys, more sellers. So they try to buy it here, but still very shy. Let's see if the Nasdaq can pull down a little bit.
Brick set short
Okay,
signal
sellers in the
NQ.
tape, guys. Buyers nowhere to be seen.
Short brick setup.
Okay, it's a free trade now, no problem. Still market slow right now, guys. We don't see 10 prints in
Short
the same
signal
second that
NQ.
in the start of the trade. Got two contracts out. Okay, that would be the last trade of the day. Okay, out, guys. What a good trade here. This was a re-entry, guys, and you could have entered here. You see the sellers
Short signal
hitting the
NQ.
tape. You see the magenta line from the tape. Every time the tape, 80% of the tape is red, or shorting or buying, it will draw you a line. You see here, this is a blue line. You can see in the micro, yes, the blue line. This is tape momentum, tape momentum. So this works because
Short signal
if you
NQ.
sometimes move out of your desk, you know, you come back and you don't see what happened. So you have this history here, and well, you see the prints from the visual imbalance and everything, guys. And it's a no-brainer, guys. You just need to follow the map. That's it, and you will make money. Don't fight the trend, okay? You can do that, but if you are trading for a prop firm or if firm, you know, it's very complicated because it's easy to lose money, and if you're copying accounts, worse. So it's better to wait for the trend, guys. So if the account is yours, and it's a personal account, you can grab some reversals. But the market in the morning, I told you in the past video, so it was, I saw them, the sellers were just hitting the tape, and I saw a very big guy selling. So it was a no-brainer. No longs right now until the market tells you the difference. Maybe they can puke out of the market at the close, but I don't know. So the runs are shorter now. We see a lot of market just pulling back again. So no more trading, guys, right now. So thanks for watching, guys.